Welcome to Tax Talk Simplified, your go to podcast for breaking down complex tax concepts into simple, actionable insights. I'm your host from team of Ajay Sahagal, and today we've got some exciting news for salaried individuals in India. Did you know that you can have zero tax liability on an annual income of up to 13.7 lakh rupees? Yes, you heard that right. Let's dive into how this works. If you're a salaried employee, you can save more on taxes compared to others thanks to two key benefits. 1. The standard deduction of 75,000 rupees and though investments in the National Pension System NPS under Section 80 CCD though. Here's the catch. This NPS benefit allows up to 14% of your basic salary to be tax deductible. However, this applies only if your employer offers NPS as part of your cost to company (CTC). Unlike other deductions, you can't opt for this on your own. It's an employer driven benefit. Now, let's break it down with an example. Imagine you earn 13.7 lakh rupees annually. Assuming your basic salary is 50% of this, that's around 6.85 lakh rupees. 14% of 6 रुपए 85 पैसे lakh equals approximately 95,900 रुपए, which qualifies as a deduction under NPS. Add the 75,000 rupees standard deduction, and guess what? Your taxable income effectively reduces to zero. That's right, no tax liability at all. This strategy can save you around 96,000 rupees additionally in taxes annually. But here's the surprising part. Millions of taxpayers are missing out on this opportunity simply because they're unaware of it or their employers haven't structured their salary to include this benefit. So, if you're a salaried employee, check with your HR or finance team. Is NPS part of your CTC? If not, maybe it's time to have that conversation. After all, smart tax planning isn't just about saving money, it's about making informed decisions. That's all for today's episode of Tax Talk Simplified. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share with your colleagues, and leave a review. Until next time, stay informed and save smart.